Guys, tonight is my favorite time of the week. It's family game night. We always make a fun snack to go with our games, so tonight I thought I'd make some white chocolate caramel corn using our Foodstirs vanilla cake mix. So in a saucepan, I just melted some butter, added the cake mix, brown sugar, regular sugar, and honey, and stirred that up until it was a nice light brown, thick caramel texture. I poured it over this Good and Gather organic popcorn, mixed it all together, and spread it out all nice and even on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. I made sure the caramel was nicely coated, and I baked it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or until golden brown like this. I drizzled on some melted chocolate, and it was finally time for game night. We started out playing sequence, and it was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoy.